What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we are doing the reveal for the 350Z. Just got a call from Paint by Saul, and he is ready for me to go ahead and go pick up the car. So we're about to go ahead and head there right now. I'm having my little sister take me, and we're gonna see how the rest of today goes. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please go ahead and hit a huge thumb up. Also, to see when I post more frequently, go ahead and find that notification bell, click that as well, and turn that on so you can see when I post, so you can enjoy some more great videos. But let's get off of that topic and let's go ahead and get straight into going to see the car. Alright guys, we are here. I'm currently looking at the car right now, and oh my goodness, it is nearly flawless. This work that he just put in on his car is great. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the camera. Let me get down the ISO so you guys can see what I'm looking at, see what you're looking at. Like, it's just perfect. All the way down. Fix the little place right there with a metal reinforcement. I mean, you guys, I don't think there's anything better right now for this car. Got that piece done. I don't really want to touch it too much since it was literally just painted yesterday. Probably just gonna drive it home, not really driving anywhere. But guys, this paint is absolutely flawless. Look at the match on both. Just matching so nicely. We did the hood up here, or the roof, sorry. So go all the way down. We did this out here as well. It's just mirror finish, complete mirror finish. You can't tell me it's not mirror finish. Then we have my added spoiler that you guys. Here goes the reveal. Car looks amazing. Also fix a crack in between here. No more crack. Guys, I mean, wow. It's good stuff. Guys, just wanted to get y'all a GoPro view as well. Like, oh my goodness. I made the best choice by coming here and getting this done. Like, this is perfection at most. Like, this is great stuff. Don't look at the side. One day I'm gonna eventually get my entire car coated in great treatment by Sauls. I totally recommend. And man, just look at this spoiler. I do gotta get a thumbnail in. God, this is amazing. See what it's like to open my trunk now. It's still heavy, using Z1's stuff. And of course, we still got that heat. I don't want to leave any imprints, so I'm gonna have to be careful closing it back down. But man, this is some fire right here, guys. This is, man, I'm speechless. This is just some good work, guys. We're back in the 350, man. I'm so happy, really happy. It needs to be washed since the rest of the car is not really washed, but this thing looks amazing now. I feel like I have a complete car again without a lot of mess-ups. Also, there's so much more that's coming towards this car. There's more things coming on the way. So, all in all, happy. I'm debating if I'm going to even drive this to work. Need some work on the ballast. I need to replace the ballast when headlights out, but I get off early this Saturday, so should be able to make it home without having to use my headlights. Guys, I'm really impressed with this work. I keep saying it's just good work, guys. If anything, for all your paint needs, please go to Saul if you're in the Atlanta area. I'll leave his Instagram again. I'm in love with the work. All right, back at home. Car's parked. Probably gonna drive it to work today, but really impressed with what Sauls done to the car yet again. I'm keep saying it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. keep y'all heads up. It's been a long time, man. It's been a long time with the Z. It's been a long time with even the Mazda. It's been a long time in general. I'm just stoked. More content on the way for sure. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay easy.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.